Hey there to all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss on the topic structure of atom. So let's start. You may have heard the word atom. Then you may have a question in your mind. What is atom? And what does the word atom mean? So the word atom is derived from Greek word atomos, meaning one which cannot be cut. So, is there anything which we are not able to cut? Let us see. Here is a statement. An atom is the smallest unit of matter. But wait, what is matter? So, let us recall it. Matter is anything which has mass and occupies space, that is volume. So see the things around you. All the things have some of the other mass and occupies space. So everything around us is matter. So what does this statement mean? An atom is the smallest unit of matter. This means that all the matter is made up of small particles called atom. Means that atoms are like the fundamental parts of matter from which all the matter is made. Now let us see some of the theories on the concept of atom. Kanad was an Indian philosopher in the 6th century BC who firstly put forth the idea of atom. He stated that there is limit to divide matter into smaller particles. What that means is we will understand from an example. So let us take an example. For example, let's say we have a chalk. We break that chalk into small pieces and we break the pieces into smaller and smaller particles, and there will be a time, there will be a instant, there will be a moment such that we will not able to further divide the chalk particles into further smaller particles. So these smaller particles are nothing but atoms, and Kanad named them as Parmanu, meaning the smallest particle. He also stated that the atoms are cannot be created and cannot be destroyed. Next is the Greek philosopher Democritus. In the 5th century BC, Democritus stated that matter is made up of small particles which cannot be divided. He named them as atom. So the name atom was coined by Democritus. Dalton's atomic theory. John Dalton was a British scientist. He studied the works of various chemists and Democritus and done his own research and put forth his theory on atoms, that is the atomic theory, in 1803, which is now known as Dalton's atomic theory in his honor. So according to his theory, matter is made up of small particles called atom. Atoms are indivisible, that is, we cannot divide or cut atoms and cannot be created and destroyed. So for this, let us take an example. Suppose I have a element A and I have an element B. Suppose we have a chemical reaction between these two elements and we will get a a compound C. So the compound C will contain all the elements of A and elements of B together, but it will not contain any other new element or new atom in that, and there is no destruction of any atom, that is, there is no loss of any atom like A or B in this reaction. This also proves the law of conservation of mass, that is, the mass of product is same as the mass of reactant. So the next postulate is all atoms of an element are same, that is same mass and chemical properties. Let us take an example. Suppose we have an element iron. So same, this is an iron element. So we will zoom into it, and what we will see is that the atoms of the element iron are similar to each other, and they have same mass and same chemical properties, so that we can say that all all the atoms of an element are same, that is, they have same mass and chemical properties. Next postulate is different elements have different atoms with different mass and chemical properties. Suppose we have two different elements, say iron and aluminum. So if we zoom into both these elements, we will see the atoms of iron are different from the atoms of aluminum. They are different in their mass and they are different in their chemical properties. So these are the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Next is the Dalton's atomic model. So Dalton also put forth the atomic model, that is the structure of atom. How will the atom look? So according to Dalton, atoms are solid spherical in shape. You can see this in the picture, that is, they are solid spherical in shape according to Dalton. Next is that they do not have any internal structure. For this, we will take an example. Suppose we have a cricket ball and say we have a bundi laddu. So you may know that the bundi laddu is made up of small bundis, which totally combine, a lot of bundis combine to make a bundi laddu. And for the cricket ball, it is just a single entity. It's not made up of any other small parts. So analogous to this, we can say that atom is just a solid spherical entity. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, share this video with your friends. Hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, tata, bye bye, see you, have a good day. Thank you.